say you were just a cat, but you were so much more than that. A part of us, a part of our soul. You made our family feel whole. We gave you the best life we could, loved you without limits, you understood. Your gentle spirit, your loving gaze will linger with us through all our days. They say you're just a cat, but it's not true. The love we shared was pure and grew. Your soft fur, your gentle purr, your light now fills the empty spaces of the night. Thank you for the years you stayed, for every moment, the joy you gave. They say you're just a cat, but we know the love we had will always glow. The hole you left is hard to bear, but your memory lives everywhere. They say you're just a cat, but they don't see how much you meant to our family. They say you're just a cat, but it's not true. The love we shared was pure and grew. Your soft fur, your gentle purr, your light now fills the empty spaces of the night. They say you're just a cat, but in our hearts you'll always be more, our shining star. We miss you now, but love never fades. You're a part of us, always, always. They say you're just a cat, but in our hearts you'll always be more, our shining star. We miss you now, but love never fades. You're a part of us, always, always.